Question 5 is just asking if you understand what the K values mean. Remember that in every case of these, you've got reactants going to products, and you've got the K value being the products over the reactants. So if you have a big product and a low reactant, that means the reaction has gone very far over to the product's side. So again, you've got lots here and few here. Then your K value is going to be a big number divided by a small number. And what happens when you have a big number divided by a small number? You end up with a big number. So if you have a K value that is large, then that means it is a product-favored reaction, which means it likes to go to the right-hand side as written. Remember that if your K value is products over reactants and you have a small amount of products and a large amount of reactants, so you have a small number here and a big number here, then you'd be dividing a small number by a big number, which is going to result in a small number. And if you have a small number, then that means that you have a reactant-favored reaction. And if you have a reactant-favored reaction, then that means that it is going to go to the left-hand side. It's going to favor the left-hand side there. So what is this asking for? This says, which one of the systems can achieve equilibrium with virtually no products being formed here? So virtually no products being formed. So that's telling you that there are almost no products. Well, that sounds like a reactant favored to me. If there are almost no products and mostly reactants, that is a reactant favored. And if you're looking for a reactant favored, then you're looking for the K value that is the smallest here. So the K value that is the smallest is the first one here, because that is clearly the smallest of the values. If it was asking you for a product-favored reaction, then that would be your best choice. That would be the best product-favored reaction because it's the largest number. So large numbers are product-favored. That's not what we're looking for in this case. We're looking for one where virtually no products are being formed, so that's all reactants. And if it's mostly reactants, then you're talking about the smallest number.